In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to easily add trending musics to your Facebook Reels. All you have to need, go to your Facebook and tap on this plus icon, tap on Reel, and it's time to create a new reel. So I'm just selecting a random video from my gallery, for example this one. Now to add a trending music to the reel, just tap on this audio, tap on add music. From this music screen, we have to select trending, and under this trending tab, here you will find all trending musics. So you can just play any music by tapping on this play button next to the music. And now just go ahead and add a trending music to your reel. And using trending music helps your reels get more reach, views and engagement. Now just go ahead and publish the reel. Thanks for watching.